EBSCO resources, I find in the library web page under the Database tab. After logging into EBSCOhost platform, I choose the databases that I want to search. I write my search term in the search box. I'm interested in full-text articles, so I limit my results using the full-text facet in the column on the left side. I can limit also the date of publication, for example, to the last 5 years. I can choose the language of the publication. After choosing the article that I'm interested in, I can download the article, print it, or save to the Google Drive account. I can save the bibliographical data in few formats or export it to the reference management software as Zotero or Mendeley. After saving article to the folder and signing in to my individual My EBSCOhost account, I can have access to all saved materials during my future sessions on EBSCOhost platform.